How to play games on YouTube. YouTube Playables tutorial. So first head over to YouTube, and in the very top left you're gonna see this icon. Click on it, and here you're gonna be able to see an option that says Playables. Now if you're like me and you don't have this option, that is probably because you're not in the right region. Now, YouTube Playables first launched in limited test regions, then expanded gradually. The main officially confirmed rollout regions were United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. YouTube publicly confirmed those countries during the wider rollout in 2024. Later, YouTube started expanding Playables to more markets globally, but YouTube has never published a full official country list. Some users in countries like France and Spain reported inconsistent availability during rollout phases. So if you're not from one of these countries, you're not going to be able to play YouTube Playables unless you have a VPN and an account that's made with that VPN. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.